Alrighty, Michael, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Custom grind solid roller. Got the Edelbrock EFI manifold. You send it in your throttle body. We've got our front end on it. Make sure the alternator works. Front sump oil pan. Go in there and make a run. See if she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,600, 477 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 548, peaks horsepower 608. So we're ready at 600. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. That's our new cylinder head combination. What we'll do now is pull pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean. I'll show you a couple other things. See your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. I highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number and some other specs. That number is the easiest way for us to look anything up for you. Flip it over. It's got a QR code there. That'll take you to some more specs and tech stuff. So really recommend watch all this stuff. It'll help your installation. Have a great day.